Hello, amazing parents. My name is Temitope Esther Ogunshakin. I am a phonics and diction coach, and today you will be learning how to teach your child the alphabet in a fun way. Are you ready? Let's go. Do you know your letter sounds? Yes, I know my letter sounds. Ah, d, e, g, e, j, ooh. Mm. Mm. Ah. Rrr. S. Ah. V. Lo. X. 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 G. Z. Now I know my letter sounds. Next, I want you to sing with me. Good job! Now that you know your letter sounds and how to teach it in a fun way, now can you identify the sounds? Can you tell me the sound? Show me the sound. As in cup. As in cup. Is it this one? Is it this one? This one, you got it! Great job! Is your child struggling to identify or recognize letters? Try this 2 minutes exercise with your child every day, and you'll see a change and an improvement in your child's recognition. Would you like more phonics tips like this? Click the follow button and like and follow me for more phonics tips. See you in the next video.